Hey, who threw that can on the floor?
It was the guy beside me. I clearly saw it.
What the fuck?
Who threw this can on the floor, huh?
Who flew this can on the floor? Pick it up.
Wasn't me.
He's just slinging.
Yeah, it wasn't you.
It wasn't me. It wasn't me.
He's just slinging cans.
Goddamn employees.
I say we swap the clown out for somebody else. We got a lot of choices here.
Yeah.
Drink another one of your damn sodas.
You won't do it again.
Oh my god.
You fucking bitch.
The sound.
Fucking bitch.
That would be so hilarious if they
Just
never
listen to the
disappear.
can. Just listen to the can.
Air conditioning filter.
Such a fucking slop. Just keep doing it.
Fucking can noise.
Listen, you need to get a trash can in here or something.
There's a trash can
right
behind the
there.
machine.
Right there. Next to the thing.
Fucking lazy piece of shit.
See it.
You're throwing the cans further away than the trash can is.
I can't.
on the
Oh,
top.
vending machine has run out of sodas.
You drank the entire supply of sodas we had for Doomsday.
Empty your machine.